Sahih Bukhari. Hadith number 24. Translation. Narrated Abdullah bin Umar, R.A. Once Allah's Apostle peace be upon him passed by an Ansari man, who was admonishing to his brother regarding Haya. On that Allah's Apostle peace be upon him said, "Leave him, as Haya is a part of faith." Also, see Hadith number 9. Sahih Bukhari. Hadith number 9. Translation. Narrated Abu Huraira, R.A. The Prophet said, "Faith, belief, consists of more than 60 branches, i.e. parts. And Haya is a part of faith." Note: this term Haya covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple, etc.